Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start tenses. Actually we are going to revise them because you have already studied them in your classes, present, past and future. In the previous class we studied parts of speech, that also you have done in previous class. So initially, as it is the beginning of the session, we will be revising the things we have done earlier. So today we will be taking up tenses. Tenses, as you already know, you have studied three types of tenses. They are present, past and future. Present, past and future. Present is used for the action which happens or takes place in the present. Past is used for the action which happened in the past, and future which is going to happen in future. This much you everyone knows. Like in Hindi you have done Vartaman, Bhutkal and Bhavishyaval. The same thing is here, present, past and future. Now each tense we have further subtypes. Okay, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, now we will be taking up one by one with all further four types. First is present indefinite. Okay, present indefinite is used for the action which takes place regularly at present. Okay, for example, you attend your online classes, means this is your regular phenomenon. Okay, this action takes place time and again. So we attend online classes. Next, you can write here, we attend online classes. Next, the sun shines brightly. Her I like sweets. Okay, I like sweets. So if you study these sentences, you find that these actions take place regularly, and if you focus their structure of the sentence, you find little difference, and that difference is that here with the verb there is no insertion. Here in second sentence we have put s, and again in the third sentence there is no insertion with the verb. What is the reason for this? That here in the first sentence the subject is plural. In the second sentence the subject, the sun, is singular, and in the third one it is again plural because I is considered as plural in English grammar. So that is the reason there is no insertion with the verb if the subject in that sentence is plural. Okay, we attend online classes. We never say we attend, that will be wrong. We attend online classes. Next, the sun shines brightly. The sun singular hai, the sun shines brightly. Okay, next, I like. Again, I is plural, like sweets. Now, these are the positive sentences. Now, we have to convert them into negative. Okay, how to convert them into negative? In the sentence with plural verb, with a plural subject, we use do not. Like, we do not attend online classes. Next, the sun shines brightly. Here, as the subject is singular, in the place of do not, it will be does not. The sun does not shine brightly. Okay. Next, I like sweets. I do not like sweets. Clear? So these are the present indefinite. Now let me clear one more thing, that along with the regular phenomena, we use simple present for the universal truths also. Okay, the sun rises in the east, the earth revolves around the sun. These are the universal truths. For universal truths also we use present indefinite. It is also called simple present. Okay, simple present or present indefinite, one and the same thing. I hope it is clear. Now we switch over to past indefinite. You see, in the simple present we have used first form of the verb. ठीक है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यू नो, लाइक डू, डिड, डन. ओके, डू, डिड, डन. ओके, मेड, मेड. ओके, दिस इज फर्स्ट फॉर्म, दिस इज सेकेंड फॉर्म एंड दिस इज थर्ड फॉर्म. In present tense we use first form only. Okay, simple present tense which we have just studied, in that we used verb 1. Okay, now we are going to start past indefinite. In that we are going to use second form of verb. Okay, and third form of the verb is used in perfect tense. You know it already. Let's have some examples. For example, I did this. I did this. The kite maker made beautiful kites. They shouted at the top of their voice. At the top of their voice. Clear? Now, if you study these sentences, you see we have used second form of the verb. Did is a second form, made is a second form, and shouted is a second form. Remember, we are just looking at a verb. Okay, don't get confused. Some students, what I have observed, some students get confused with a verb and noun. Okay, for example, अगर हम किसी सब्जेक्ट की बात करें, okay, the kite maker, here the subject is singular, but sometimes what do the children just see? They just see these plural noun. Okay, we don't have to see the noun, the object, we have to see the subject only. Okay, so here some children get confused. Anyway, we were talking about verb, so we see here we have used second form of verb. Now these are the positive sentence. Now again we have to convert them into negative one. It will be I did not do this. अगर हम did not use करते हैं तो then the verb will change into first one, verb of the first form of the verb only. Okay, अब did का did नहीं रहेगा यहाँ पे, it will change into, it will come back to its original form, that is do. Next, the kite maker made beautiful kites. The kite maker did not तो लगेगा ही, जैसे हमने do not और does not लगाया था simple present में, तो similarly we have did not in past simple negative. The kite maker did not make. Make will come back into its first form, make beautiful they shouted at the top of their voice. Okay, they shouted. They did not shout at the top of their voice. Clear? Simple past is used for the action which has been done in the past. ठीक है, which started and finished in the past. जो start हुआ और finish भी हो गया, for those actions we use such kind of sentences. Such kind of ये simple past हम use करते हैं. Next is, I hope it is clear. Now we are going to switch over to future indefinite. फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट में भी हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करते हैं प्रीसीडेड बाय विल और शैल. You will be given notes regarding the same later on, but at this time you have to understand the details of the tenses. Next is future indefinite or simple future. Okay. He will surely keep his promise. We will visit them, or we can have shall also. Visit them next Sunday. Let me tell you one thing. Usually we use shall with the plurals, but will can also be used if we have to. We are stressing the sentence. We have emphasizing the sentence. ठीक है? Yes, we will. हम stress अगर डाल रहे हैं तो हम will use करेंगे. Otherwise, if we say after the sentence in the normal way, तो we have shall. Okay? Next, the sweeper will clean the floor. I think it's clear. Now, see the structure of the sentence. Here also we have used first form of the verb, but हमने इसमें unlike present indefinite we have not used s or es. ठीक है, simple we have used without any certain. We have used first form of the verb keep, visit and clean. Okay, but they all are preceded by will or shall. Will keep, okay, shall visit or will clean. Okay, but in order to convert them into negative, nothing sort of the sort like do not, does not, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, बस we have to put not only. He will not surely keep his promise. We shall not visit them next Sunday. The sweeper cleans, sorry, will not clean, will not clean the floor. I hope it's clear. Now students, I just want you to go through them again and write 5 sentences of each tense. Okay, get them checked. 5 sentences आपको लिखना है एंड यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू नेगेटिव आल्सो. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.